Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love this eufy S340 security solo camera. It's called the SoloCam. So reason number 1 is it has AI tracking. So when this is installed, it's upside down right now, but when it's installed outside and somebody walks into its field of view, it will start tracking them and move and monitor them. Reason number 2 is it's battery powered and it has a solar panel that can keep the battery charged under normal operating circumstances. So you just mount the solar panel. You can mount it on top of the camera, but it also comes with this 10-foot extension. It's a USB extension, so you can plug this into there and then plug this cable into there, and you can put this 10 feet away, up to 10 feet away, so that this has direct sunlight. Easy to mount. Reason number 3 is it's easy to install. So here's the bracket. You're either going to mount this on your house or kind of under your overhang. Those are your 2 options. Here's the camera. Again, if it's on the side of your house, mount it and then snap this into place like that. There you go. That's how simple it is. Run your cable in over there to the USB-C port for the solar panel. Again, if you're mounting it to the side of your house, you can mount this bracket. That's why they give you the short cable. So you can put the bracket right on top of the camera and then rotate it so it's picking up the sunlight. But if you're putting it under an overhang like this, you're not able to do that. That's how easy it is to install. There's the USB-C port. Now you don't have to use the solar camera. It does have a built-in battery. It does have 8 gigabytes of internal storage. It's got 2 separate lenses, a 2K telephoto lens and a 3K wide-angle lens. Again, there's the subject lock and tracking, built-in storage. And then it says the solar panel can collect and store 8,000 to 1,200 milliamp hours per day. SoloCam S340 uses about 100 to 200 milliamp hours over a day and night of average use. So under normal circumstances, you would never have to take this off. You would never have to unmount it, but it's super easy. So if this bracket was mounted, you would never have to unmount it, take it in your house and charge it with USB-C. If you had the solar panel in direct sunlight and it wasn't having a high usage rate. I love the eufy security camera. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.